the council shall direct the chief officer to write to DMA to immediately, as soon as possible, convene a meeting of the high power committee and to seek advice from the high power committee as to what is going to be our direction and to get a lot of transparency in the matter, what is going to be the next course of action. If high power committee should say that the Solid Waste Management Corporation should take over, then we have to have a communication from the high power committee that henceforth it will be this agency, that this corporation or this government body that shall look into the matter. But there has to be a communication with the council, and the council representatives, the chairperson has to be, they have to be taken into confidence whenever any decision. And also the council has today told that any such decision, anything to do with the revenue matter, anything to do with legal matter, the chief officer has to take the permission of the council. He shall not be able to take decisions on his own. The 25,000 per week, that is what I was told by the chief officer, that they have checked the एक अदमास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल कितें येता, मागीर वर्किंग कॉस्ट ऑफ द स्टाफ ऑफ द सॅलरी ऑफ द स्टाफ, मागीर तांचे वॉटर बिल कितलें येता, आनी whatever is required. So this is how they have arrived at the cost, operational cost.
Only 3,000 is required to treat 20 tons of waste per day.
See, obviously after you go there, I think even yesterday the ministers are a witness, the chief minister has seen, the DMA has seen what work is going on over there. So let us not remain let us not create delusions in front of our eyes. The reality and what is there for everybody to see and to judge.
Was it a mistake on your part not to join the minister yesterday? Because the whole council was after you. Why they were trying to tell you that you made politics. You should have come and listened to him. Was it a mistake not to join the minister?
I don't know. I think
you have joined your party president, then the minister yesterday.
No, I think it was basically we were with the public there, we were with the people there, and especially it is in my ward, we were with the people of Raya Panchayat, we were with the people of Sansada and those people, and everybody wanted a proper transparency and a proper communication from the minister, which I felt, we should, as an elected representative, I felt that we have to